망설인다는 걸 알아 진심을
What's up guys, it's your girl Jocelyn here. So what we're gonna do today is what is in my iPhone. Yes. So here's my lock screen, of course. It is the Map of the Soul, which is my favorite album of time, and it is BTS, of course. So we are going to see what's 59. We're going to unlock my phone. Yes. Okay, so here is the beginning of my phone. Here we have most of the stuff. The BTS movie that I'm gonna watch in August 8th, and my series suggestions and everything from this time. And also my background is Jimin. Yes, you've heard of it, you've seen it. Yeah, but that's pretty much the stuff that I use on that one. And then sometimes I use YouTube photos, TikTok, and my Snapchat. And usually, there's sometimes that I have my screen time on here, but I don't really use it. And it's somehow not useful because you see like every single thing on there we use. So next one is my FaceTime, my calendar, which is just the main apps and stuff. And yeah, so these are just apps in general that I use. And I have some of my photos, BTS memes, everything. FaceTime, of course, I use it all the time, my settings. And yeah. Also my wallet has some of my information, which I don't really want to open right now. But yeah. And what we are going to do is, I don't know. We are going to go to the next page, which is my music. Yes, my music. I have the Love Yourself Tear album on my phone. That's what I listen to the whole freaking day. Yes, but I wish I can buy the Map of the Soul badly, but I can't. Cries intentionally. Next folder is my Find My iPhone and contacts, files, watch, Google Photos, Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, Twitter, Kakao Talk, and my TikTok, of course, which is something that I use all the day to talk to my people, to talk to my friends, and you know, I just kind of like look around. Here's my account, go follow me guys. And my YouTube, of course, because I'm a YouTuber. Here is my Never Smart Keyboard, which I use on a daily. You type just general messages and it translates into Korean or Japan or any other place, which is cool. Oh my god, look, it's not falling. But yeah, I use that on a daily a lot. The next one is just YouTube, Never Smart Keyboard, Yahoo Mail, Messenger, WhatsApp, Chase, my Band Lab, and my Dropbox, which I use for my music. My BTS World. I will give you guys my code on the bottom of the description. Also, I have my Uber and my Surveys app, which I really don't use because, you know. So yeah. Next one is my rewards app, my translating app, my Basics 12 app. Basics 12 is just general filters. Any filters for the face, any filters for like any scenery that you want to take pictures of. my Wish app, which I use to buy BTS stuff, BTS merch, my Spotify. Then I have my Weverse. My Weverse I use to see BTS, just BTS in general, like BTS posts, BTS, like right now they're doing the Beat Army with, or letter to army, or like army to letter, or something like that. And we send, I guess, letters to BTS and stuff. So yeah. Then my VLive, my iMovie, so I can edit my videos, my Gmail, and my activity, which is really helpful because it just tracks my steps. It tracks everything, like anything of my health. So yeah, but that is pretty much it of my, my phone. So yeah. So I will talk to you guys later. Hope you guys like my video. Like and subscribe. Follow me.